Hey guys, this is a lesson on applying the flam to the drum kit. Okay, so exercise number 1, all we're going to do is we're going to take our standard 8th note drum beat, bass and snare and bass and snare, and when we play the snare drum on beats 2 and beats 4, we're just going to convert that into a flam. So we're going to bring our right hand down into a flam. So it's going to sound like this. I'll do this very slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 4 and. Okay, so exercise number 2, we're going to play a flam on all of the quarter notes, and it's just going to go around the kit. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to put a bass drum in between it, 8th notes. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's going to sound like this. We also want to finish that with a downbeat with the bass and the crash. So that's now going to sound like this. One bar groove, 1 bar fill. Okay, so the next exercise involves playing a flam followed by 2 bass drums, another flam followed by 2 bass drums, and then finishing with a flam on beat 4. These are all in 8th notes, so it's going to look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's going to sound like this. If you're comfortable with that, then we're going to do 1 bar groove, 1 bar fill. Okay, so exercise 4 is very similar to exercise 3. So I'm going to start by just breaking it down. So if we take exercise 3 and we reorchestrate it, so instead of playing the whole flam here, we're going to bring the right hand grace note over to the floor tom. So we're going to get this. So you can see that it's the same as exercise 3 in terms of the phrasing. The only difference now is we're revoicing that grace note of the flam. And now what we're going to do to complete exercise 4 is we're going to keep 8th notes going on the floor tom. So it's going to look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This is what it's going to sound like. Okay guys, so there's 4 examples of how you can apply the flam to the drum kit in both a fill and also 2 groove options as well. So yeah, practice, enjoy, and I'll see you next lesson.